friends and fam, glad you're here tuning. What's going on in this clip? We want to calculate 7,018 divided by 58. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 7,018 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 58 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 7 big enough for 58 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 58 is larger than 7. So we must take the next digit too. How many 58 are in 70? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 58, which gives us 58. Draw line and subtract 70 minus 58, which leaves us with 12. Now we bring down the next digit 1, and this makes our new number 121. How many 58 are in 121? The answer is 2. Now multiply 2 by 58, which gives us 116. Draw line and subtract 121 minus 116, which leaves us with 5. Now we bring down the next digit 8, and this makes our new number 58. How many 58 are in 58? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 58, which gives us 58. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 121. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell.